Do you ever think my idea is not big enough? It's not worth pursuing a patent on. Hi, everybody. I'm JB Houvener, owner and founder and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I hear this a lot. Inventors, even everyday people, they have great ideas. Even though they may seem small, they think to themselves in this mindset of, my idea is too small. There's no way I could pursue a patent on it. Forget it. I'll just keep moving on with my life. And that's a problem. It's a huge problem for you just to not give that gift to the world, want to get out there, share what you've got. And it's this sort of feeling stuck, feeling, never mind, I'll just play it safe. Or, gosh, this is not going to have that big of an impact, or it's too simple. I don't want to take the risk. And I think this is common. It's sort of human condition to think like this, to sort of be, unfortunately, narrow-minded or self-limiting, I think is a better way to say it. And truly taking a shot, taking a moment to think, well, even if this is a simple idea, even if it's small, it could actually have real impact. If this is a problem that you have, and probably is, most inventions are, right? Being that necessity is the mother of invention, is that it can have a big impact. It could actually help other people, other human beings. And that could lead to making the world a better place, however cheesy that sounds. So shifting your mindset, okay? Taking a moment, think about, well, even though this may not be a massive, right, world-denting type of idea, Post-it notes were an accident, right? They were small, seemingly insignificant adhesive that, as you know, is in every single drawer of every office person today. The iPhone, the concept of having a touch screen was born of a sketch. Very simple start, and it evolved. It took legs and made some real impact in the world, as you all know. So what matters is taking that first step and knowing that maybe my idea does have some significance, and at least seeing it through. You owe it to yourself to at least see it through and to give it some wind to see if it's got legs, as it said. So if you've got an invention, if you've got an idea, and you're not even sure if it qualifies as an invention, at least take a step. Take action today. Schedule a free discovery call with us at Bold Patents, and let us tell you if it's got legs. Let us tell you if it's something real. Trust us with your invention, your idea, and see if we can help you take the next step. All right, everybody, take care and have a good day. Go big, go bold.